how to play Minecraft multiplayer on mobile and PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play Minecraft multiplayer on mobile and PC. First, sign up for a Microsoft account. You will need it to play Minecraft cross-platform whether on mobile or PC. Now open a browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Then, click on Sign in the center of the page. Next, click Create One beside No Account. Here, you can either enter your email or click Get a new email address to make a new Outlook email. Then click Next and follow the steps to create your password and finish the sign-up process. After that, download Minecraft Bedrock Edition because only this version supports multiplayer between mobile and PC. Now, on your mobile, go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Minecraft. Then, download the one listed under Mojang. On PC, go to the Minecraft website or Microsoft Store and install the Bedrock Edition version, not Java. Now launch Minecraft on both mobile and PC. Then, on the main screen, tap or click Sign in with Microsoft account on the left side. Here, enter the Microsoft account details you just created. Next, on either device, tap or click Play. Then, go to Create New World and customize the settings however you want. Now tap or click Create to load the world. After your world loads, pause the game and select Invite to Game. Now, you can choose your friend from the list and send them an invite. If you're both on the same Wi-Fi network, you can also join using the Friends tab. Just open Minecraft on the second device, go to Play, and check under LAN games. The world will appear automatically, and you can tap or click to join. And that's how you play Minecraft multiplayer between mobile and PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.